If you want to sound like a native speaker, I'm going to teach you a word that we use it. If you want to literally translate how we use it, it's going to sound very weird. But this is how we actually use it. It's the word add, which means sitting, to sit. So add means sitting for a male, add sitting for a female. So add sitting for a male, add sitting for a female. So the way we use this word is if you're actually sitting. So for example, I'm a female, so I would say أنا قاعدة. I am sitting. So that's the regular meaning for it. Now, we might use this word as say, like when we say something like قاعدة بمشي. This now, if you want to translate what I just said in English, like literally how I said it, it's going to sound very weird. I just said I'm sitting walking. However, that's not what it means when I said it. It basically meant I am walking. So we use the word add or add as like doing something. So add بمشي. I am walking. قاعدة بشتغل. I am working. قاعدة باكل. I am eating. قاعدة بتفرج على التلفزيون. I am watching the TV. قاعدة بشرب. I'm drinking. So again, we use the word add or add as doing something, but the actual meaning for it is to sit. And yeah, so if you want to use this word, you're going to really sound as a native speaker. Yeah, my name is Ala. My email address is ala.arabictutor@gmail.com. I teach Arabic one-on-one. Check out my workbooks, and my description has all my info. Thank you so much for listening.